Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on or power off your Lenovo ThinkPlus XT95 Pro earbuds. So as you can see, currently I'm connected with my phone, and to power them off we have to grab them and then click and hold on these two buttons. Click and hold right now. As you can see, this indicator blinks 2 times red and our connection just turns off. It means that they are turned off right now. To power them on, just do the same. Click and hold. Take a look for the indicators. When they lights up for the green, it means that they are turned on, and they also synchronize. So as you can see, that's very simple. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.